Hey, hello, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you some looks with the Nomad Witch City Salem palette. This is what it looks like. You see the witches. This is the color story. So pretty, so Halloweeny. I love it. For the first look, I'm going to start off with a purple in the outer corner and in the crease, or halfway in the crease. So I'm going to be starting with Salem Commons right here. It's pretty purple. I'm gonna go only halfway in the crease and in the outer corner, like I said. Now I'm gonna go in with Dark Demons, this green right here. To blend these two colors, I'm gonna use Haunted Happenings, this orange, and blend above. Now, on all over the lid, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. For the first metallic shade, I'm going to use Gallows Hill on the outer portion of the lid, blending that in with the outer corner. Ooh, so pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with this green shimmer. It is Salem's Willows on the inner portion of the lid. Perfect. That's what I was wanting. So pretty. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Haunted Happenings on this Morphe M574 brush and run it along the lower lash line. Then I'm going to use Witching Hour for the inner corner highlight. So this is look number 1, and I want to talk a little bit about the palette. Okay, let me get it up close. This is look number 1. So cute, so pretty. I'm going to talk about the palette real quick. Nomad does palettes based on destinations, and this palette is based from the destination Salem, Massachusetts. And the coordinates are the Witch House, Inspiration, and Halloween, a Halloween classic. This says, spooky season is here, and no better place to experience this favorite American celebration than in iconic Salem, Massachusetts. With ghost tours through cobblestone streets and haunted happenings of epic proportions, and an infamous past with bone-chilling events, the Witch City is a spectacular place to create an alchemy of fun, festive, and good old spooky Halloween. So grab your book of spells, chant some hocus pocus, and join us for a classic Halloween celebration. So yeah, this is my first look using this palette, and it is so pretty. Like, I can't wait to create 2 more looks. For the second look, I'm gonna go in with the shade Hocus Pocus. These shadows do have some kick up, but the pigment is there. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. I forgot to mention that I already have my Milani eye primer, and I set that with this Wet n Wild Creme Brulee eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna wipe that brush on a clean towel, and then I'm gonna go in with Devil's Book right here in the crease. such a pretty burgundy color. It's so pretty. Then I'm going to use this Morphe M456 brush, and I'm going to take Spirits and Spells, this gray color, and blend both of these shades together, or blend them out, I mean. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer. Then I'm going to take Ropes Mansion. Then I'm going to take Old Burying Point, this one right here, on the inner portion of the lid. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadows just do it for me. So freaking pretty. And metallic-y. Oh, I love. Then with my first brush, I'm going to blend in the inner, not blend in the inner, blend in the crease. It doesn't have any additional product. I'm just blending with what was on the brush. So pretty. Now moving on to look number 2. Look, I'm going to go in Seven Gables and put it in the inner corner and in the crease all the way. If this eyeshadow skips, it's not the eyeshadow's fault, it's actually some dryness that I have on the lid. Ooh, this color is smoky. I'm just using a Wet n Wild P15 brush. Then I'm gonna go in with Witchcraft right here and put it above that shadow and blend it out a little bit. Wait, that kind of took the color away. Color's pigmented. Let's go in a little bit more. I'm trying to use all the colors. I'm gonna try to repeat colors. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter glue primer. I'm gonna go in with the Crucible right here. Right there. Then I'm gonna go in with Halloween, this one. Put it in the inner portion of the lid. I'm gonna go in with the first brush and blend that out. And I'm gonna go in and get this corner right here. I think I'm gonna deepen it with this black Witch City right here. There we go. I'm using the e.l.f. detail crease. There we go. So pretty. So this is look number 1. I still need to put some lashes on and finish the lower lash line. This is look number 2. So different. Completely different. So for look number 2's lower lash line, I'm going to take Devil's Book and run it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Old Burying Point and use that as the inner corner highlight. So pretty. And then for look number 3's lower lash line, I'm going to take Witchcraft. And then I'm going to use Witch Hunt as the inner corner highlight. Oh, that's a pretty combo. It's like a pop. I'm gonna add this Milani Supreme Kohl eyeliner So this is look number 2. So pretty. Look number 3. So smoky. I really like this palette. The mattes are really pigmented. The shimmers are very sparkly. I really recommend this palette. Like I said, 2 different looks, and I am happy with how they came out. So pretty. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which look did you like. I like this one, look number 2. I feel like, I don't know, it's just calling my name. It's so pretty. I really like it. This one's different, especially with the green inner corner. That's different. It's like a pop. But yeah, let me know which one you like. And like I said, thank you for hanging out with me if I haven't said that already. And yeah, bye.